Yes, sir. I'm on my way to pick you up.
I finally know the identity of those we're chasing. Call an emergency meeting.
Sir? Sir, are you okay? Sir!
They took all the data.
Who are they? Sir? Sir!
All right, let's start the mission briefing.
We aim to retrieve the data containing their identity to destroy their server.
Have you identified their location?
Our strategy involves using the portal device they abandoned in reverse in order to infiltrate them. However, we lack knowledge on recharging its energy, so we estimate a duration of only 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Isn't that too tight?
That's why we plan to quickly transfer the data using the fastest external SSD, the Beetle X31.
Look, the Beetle is fast, but shouldn't we have a few backup devices, just in case?
Then, organize the task force.
I must say that the portal device's system is unstable, allowing only one person to travel at a time. You only have 15 minutes. Promise me to come back.
I will. I'm in.
Got it. Activate the scanner device attached to your wrist. Pass through the corridor and turn right. You'll find the door. The area where the strong heat is detected must be the server room. You only have 14 minutes left. Hurry up. What's wrong?
I guess the security system in the server room has been activated.
Hurry and move the data. You have 12 minutes left.
It's gonna take 12 minutes. No, wait. 18 minutes.
How long is it going to take?
Now 27 minutes. It's taking longer because of the heating issue.
Then use the Beetle. It'll be sent quickly. Hurry up. Move the data. How's the Beetle doing?
9 minutes? That's definitely fast.
It's him. Attack the server room.
Only 1 minute left. Move to the portal quickly. What's wrong? Only 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jack, we got the packet.
I have no choice but to extract the information from inside of you.
What on earth are you? SK Hynix Beetle X31 SSD.